Hello, it's Twin Force Fusion here, and I'm finally at 5,020 kilometers, which is pretty low for a 2017 car, but I'm gonna bring it to 4 to have its oil change. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Livernois Motorsport Stage 3 out, and I'm gonna put the stock back in. I'm not taking any chances in case they plug something in the computer and do a I don't know, a reset or put a new program in it or whatever. So all you have to do is grab and just do what it's gonna ask you. For loader, for vehicle. It's for those who see, it says this unit as program. Please turn off ignition while it's off and press Y. Press Y. I'm showing this because the Livernois Motorsport had a video with the late model Ford Taurus, and you have to press twice. This one you only have to press once to start. So press once, then press Y, communicating with the vehicle. No DTCs reported, good. To enter vehicle tuning mode, press Y. Y. Communicate with the vehicle. Only custom tuning option available for this strategy. Additional, okay, blah blah. Are not support. Okay. This time. Press any key to continue. So I'll press Y. To access program features, press Y. Y. So you see I'm at Livernois Motorsport 93 stage 3 and 6. And I'll show you the options I have. I got the 91 tune, got the 87 tune stage 1. Who the hell puts 87 on a anyway, cheap ass bastard. Stock, that's where I'm gonna put, well, I'll show you the fourth one. So I got stock, the 87 stage 1, 91 octane stage 3, 93 stage 3, and 93 stage 3 plus rev limit, which I already covered, but I'm not going to touch it. So I'm going to go back, I'm going to go in stock, and I'm going to press yes. So to factory setting. To continue, press Y. Please turn off ignition and press Y. Turn key to run on position, but do not start. So I'm sitting here so that way you have no chance pressing the brake. Then press Y. Now it's writing the computer. This could take like a good 5-10 minutes. I'm gonna just drop it down. Well, for those who, I don't know if I already said it, but it's the same thing as an Hypertech. My Dodge Dakota has a Econ, basically like a stage 1 energy. It's the same thing, but the switches are a little different. And it's just exactly the same thing. It's actually, this one, it's a lot faster than the Hypertech. So the Hypertech takes a double amount. So I'm already at 40-ish%. And by the way, the stage 3 tune it's absolutely amazing. What a kick in the butt, man. It's insane what a little hand computer can do now with those modern EcoBoost engines. So I'm already almost at 95. Should be very quick. Please turn off ignition. Off. And press Y. Y. And that should be done. Please wait. Turn key to the run. Run. Then press Y. No, but do not start. Okay. Then engine. Yeah, Y. Please wait. So I'm showing this just to reassure people to see how easy it is. Now, successfully programmed vehicle. To quit, press Y. Here you go. They say disconnect programmer, but somewhere in the past, Hypertech recommends to leave it plugged another 30 seconds just before disconnecting. So I'm just gonna end the video now and say thank you. And for those who are on the fence to buy a program from Livernois, I'm telling you, you're missing out a lot. A lot of performance was left on the table with these EcoBoost engines. So enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.